If you are a student or a researcher wondering which AI tool you can safely and ethically use for writing papers or thesis to boost your productivity, then this video is for you. Today, I am going to show you Jenni, an AI assistant built specifically for academic reading, understanding, and writing. How it helps you work ethically and avoid the common issues that happen with general tools like ChatGPT, especially the wrong or the unreliable citations. I will also share with you the proofs of real research papers written using Jenni that were published in reputed journals so that you can understand why so many researchers are finding it helpful. So stick around till the end because I will show you how Jenni help you read, summarize, understand and write your papers, theses and essays while citing the most relevant sources. You will also see how it helps you manage your literature, find accurate references, overcome writer's block with smart suggestions, generate outlines, improve fluency and grammar, and even format citations correctly. So let's get started. But first, let me show you some published papers that declare the usage of Jenni in manuscript writing, correcting grammar, improving fluency and readability, improving writing styles, paraphrasing the text, and even in performing literature reviews. All these are reputed journals of Springer, Elsevier, Wiley, and others. You can see all these papers declare the usage of AI tool in their manuscript preparation and also mention for what purpose it was used for. Further, it is mentioned that all the authors have reviewed the AI content and take full responsibility of it. So this is the best way how you can ethically use and report the usage of AI in your papers and thesis. Suppose you want to write a review paper and you are confused how to begin writing. Using Jenni, you can begin your writing from the scratch just by providing simple and strong prompts. You can choose to get standard headings that include introduction, material and methods, results and discussions, or you can choose smart headings that analyzes the prompt provided and suggest headings based on this. Or you may choose no heading option. The smart heading option generated a detailed heading and subheadings that you can choose to keep, modify, or discard based on your study. Once you have an outline ready, you can easily expand upon each of these headings. This will help you to stay on the track. Another common problem you might face while writing is getting stuck about what to write next. Jenni automatically generates suggestions for you based on the context of previous text or paragraph you have written. The great thing about Jenni is that it also provides you citations for the suggested text, which is very important in any scientific writing. And rather than writing entire paragraph for you, it provides you suggestions that you can review and accept if you find it appropriate, giving you full control over what you write. Now imagine you have written a paragraph but forgot to save or note down the original paper you used as a reference. Not citing the source can lead to plagiarism, which you must always avoid. Manually searching for the right paper later through Google Scholar or any other tool can be time consuming and frustrating. To make this easier, Jenni offers a highly useful and time saving cite feature. Simply select the text and choose @cite or type symbol at the point where you want to insert a citation. Jenni will then show you a list of the most relevant papers related to the content, making it quick and convenient to add accurate citations. The citation feature of Jenni is very powerful and provides you lots of useful details like title, paper type, journal name, publication year, total citations, and impact factor. You can also choose if you want to look for source paper in your library, web, or all three sources. You also get option to filter and sort the papers based on the year or relevance. The text snippet will help you quickly go through the relevant section of the source paper and help you decide if you should cite this paper. If you wish, you can read the paper from here or directly cite in the text editor you are writing. The full reference will automatically be added at the end. Another powerful feature of Jenni is library management, where you can easily add and organize all your papers in one place that you can read, analyze, and cite. There are multiple import options like uploading paper PDFs, importing directly from other reference managers like Zotero or Mendeley, BibTeX file, or using identification number. Here, I have linked my Zotero account with Jenni to import papers to Jenni. In the same way, you can upload the BibTeX file to import multiple papers to Jenni's library at once. Now, I am adding the DOI of a paper to add it to the Jenni's library. So this is how you get various convenient options to add and organize papers to Jenny. For better organization of literature, you can select multiple papers and add them to a specific folder collection. If you have the full PDF of paper, you can upload it to get detailed insight of the paper. You can also filter the papers based on PDF availability, publication year, impact factor, access type, and article type. Now, if you find it difficult to read or understand research papers, Jenny provides multiple options to chat with papers, summarize them, and ask questions. Let's have a look at each of them in detail. First, let's explore explain selection. Using this, you can take the screenshot of the portion of paper and use the AI chat option to get answers or explanation about it. You can choose a specific source, for example, whole library, a specific collection, web, or a specific paper using symbol and ask questions particularly from them. For example, here I have selected these two papers and want to know what are beta lanes and their role. Now the Jenny will analyze only these two papers and explain in simple scientific term the question asked. You can also see the portion of the paper which was referred for generating the response so that you can directly jump to that section for further reading. You can also select a text from research paper and choose Code in Chat option to get an explanation or answer relevant to it referring the web source or specific paper based on selection you make. Coming on to another useful feature, AI Edit, which is most commonly used by researchers to improve the academic writings. Using this, you can improve the fluency, paraphrase the text, simplify the text, strengthen or provide counter argument for the selected text, and much more. You can refer specific documents or web resource to make this more precise. For instance, here I asked it to paraphrase this portion. It will regenerate the response along with the edits it performed so that you can have a look at what has changed and why. If you find it useful, you can replace the existing portion or ask it to try again to regenerate another response. Sometimes you need to strengthen your discussion section or support the claims you make, especially in review papers. Without solid, well cited evidence, your manuscript is unlikely to be accepted by quality journals. In such situations, Jenny's AI edit feature can help by finding supporting arguments from specific papers or through targeted web searches. This becomes particularly useful during revisions when reviewers often request a stronger justification for certain points or ask you to cite appropriate studies to back your statements. It also mentions what has changed and also why. Similarly, you can cite contradicting studies. You can select entire paragraph or document and use the AI edit feature to summarize or write abstracts. Although you should always read and verify the content as it's the author's responsibility for anything he's going to publish. Jenny also offers convenient, easy to access tools right within the text editor. At the bottom, you will find options to insert or upload images, create tables, add code blocks, and even write equations or mathematical formulas with proper formatting. These features make it simple to incorporate visual, data, technical content, and complex expressions directly into your paper or thesis. You can also customize the document setting to control how Jenny analyzes your text and generates its output. For example, you can disable the autocomplete feature, view the exact prompt used to produce a response, and adjust your citation or reference formatting style. Additionally, you can choose which sources Jenny should rely on when finding and citing papers. With the recency filter, you can limit results to the studies published within specific years, or even filter by impact factor to ensure you are referring high quality journals only. Once you finish writing your paper, reference formatting often becomes a major challenge, especially because every journal follows its own specific style. Jenny makes this process effortless by automatically formatting your references according to the journal's requirement. With over 2600 citation styles to choose from, you can instantly switch to the correct format, and Jenny will update both the in-text as well as the reference list accordingly. Once you are done, you can export the manuscript in various popular formats like Word or LaTeX. You can also get publishable link which you can share with your mentor or colleagues for review or suggestions. Further, if you want to learn more about these features, you can check out my previous videos about this tool or refer the help document or the tutorial videos. So today we saw how you can easily generate manuscript or thesis outline, continue writing when feeling stuck, get relevant citations, and format them as per journal requirements, edit and improve the grammar and flow, paraphrase the text, find and cite supporting papers, chat with the papers to get summaries and answers, easily manage papers in library, and lot more about Jenni. And I'm sure it will help you make your research workflow a lot easier. Jenni is currently offering major discounts based on your country. For example, users in India get 50% off on all plans. Plus, if you use my link given below and the discount code, you will receive an additional 20% off on your purchase. Try Jenni today and make your research workflow smoother, better, and faster. And do check out my other useful videos on AI tools and research and publishing related topics like writing a research paper, making a research poster, finding suitable journals, download paid articles, best AI tools in academia, and lot more. You can subscribe if such videos are relevant to you.